Hi, thank you so much for joining me for lesson 4 in my How to Knit series. And today I'm going to show you how to do the purl stitch. Okay, so to begin our purl, we're going to pop our needle into the stitch in this direction. Okay, so when we knit, we pop our needle into the stitch through this direction. So when you're purling, remember the direction of your needle needs to be this way. And then taking our working yarn now, we're going to wrap the yarn around the right hand needle, bringing it between the two needles, and then it wraps back round towards us. Then we're going to pull the right hand needle back and through, picking up our new stitch here, and then pulling off the left hand needle. And that creates our first purl stitch. So I'll just do that again to show you. So needle through this direction, wrapping our yarn around the right hand needle and back round towards us. Right hand needle pulls back through, picking up the new stitch and off. And there we have our 2 purl stitches. So I'll show you again. Needle through at this direction, wrap the working yarn around, bring it back towards us, pull the right hand needle back, picking up the stitch here and pulling off the left hand needle. So continue now working in this way, practice your purl stitch, and you'll be ready for the next knitting project that I release. If you're new to my channel here, then you may wish to look at my knitting series where I have previously covered the basic cast on, the basic knit stitch and casting off. And I've also released the very first beginner's knitting project, which is a little garter stitch bag. So I hope you found today's tutorial on the purl stitch useful. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel so you never miss a knitting tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.